Nico fucking Nature and the fucking mixtapes, you know what I'm saying? We are fired up today. This is gonna be an emotionally fucking taxing topic here, but it's all worth it, you know? This is vital information that you need to know. So this might go way over your heads. I'm gonna be really delving into a very specific topic here. And if you don't understand the background behind this topic, you might be a little bit lost, but hey, you have Google and YouTube, so you can get yourself there. I'm gonna put it in simple terms as I can. So you have goals, you have dreams, and you obviously want to accomplish them, but you keep finding that there's certain areas where you're lacking in the whole accomplishing, in the whole manifesting of this goal, right? You need to understand that in order to manifest anything, in order to make anything turn into matter that matters, you need to use your 4 elements that are present in you within you at all times, right? You got your fire, you got your water, you got your earth, and you got your air. You have to start with the fire element, okay? The fire element is when you pay attention. You put your focus onto this thing, all right? Things start heating up. You're using this fire, and you're focusing solely on this thing that you need to happen, that you want to happen even, okay? Now, you're moving from the fire to the water. You're going directly from fire to water. They work hand in hand. The water is responsible for your emotions, okay? So when you're placing your water on something, you're tying an emotional state to that thing, whether it be happiness, whether it be freedom, whether it be sadness, whether it be coldness, whether it be darkness. You choose. You can tie whatever emotions you want onto this thing. But remember, you're using your water element when you're doing so, because water is directly tied into the emotion, okay? Now, you've put focus onto something, you've lit the fire. Now you went over and you used your water and you put very, very intense emotional feelings onto this thing that you want to manifest. The next thing to do is to use your air element. Your air element is big ideas. So you're looking at the general concept and you're putting giant ideas around it. You're trying to stretch this thing out. What are the capabilities and what are the possibilities of this thing that you're trying to reach? Whether it be happiness, whether it be lots of money, wealth, whatever it is, power, okay? Stretch this thing out with your air. And also, concentrate it. Figure out how small and condensed it could be, and figure out how thin and stretched out it could be. And where do you want to lie within that? Which space do you want to be? Do you want to be the tight conformed, or do you want to be the loose and less compact, okay? That's totally up to you. Remember, this is your manifestation. Now we moved away from air, I'm sorry. I've already done fire, water, air. Now we're gonna move into earth. This could be the most important one. But remember, they're all equally important, so what I mean when I say this is the most important is that if you don't take action here, nothing's going to happen. You've hit earth. You've covered all the other 3 bases, and make sure you have, because otherwise when you move on to earth, nothing will manifest. The other 3 elements are equally as important. So do the other 3, and then use your earth, figure out the exact steps that will take you to get there, and grind it the fuck out. Adios, amigos.